Hello and welcome back to Learn Now Your Learning Partner. In this video, we'll show you how to create and use gauge charts in Power BI. A gauge chart is a type of visualization in Power BI that allows you to display a single value on a scale or gauge. It's commonly used to show progress towards a goal or target, or to display a metric in relation to a specific threshold or benchmark. To create a gauge chart in Power BI, you'll need to have a dataset with at least one numeric value that you want to display. You can then add a gauge chart to your report by selecting the Gauge Visual from the Visualizations pane. Now the gauge chart is added in our canvas. Adjust the size. Now we will drag and drop the sale in our gauge chart, so we can see the value is visible over here, which is nothing but our total sale around 83K. And 50% area is occupied over here and 50% is blank. The total value is 166K, which is approximately the double of the total sale. As we discussed earlier, a gauge chart is used to compare the target. It shows the result of whether we had achieved the target or not. So we need to bring one indicator over here. We do not have any target field in our data, so we will quickly create one target field. So we will go to the New Measure bar from the Home tab and will quickly add one new column to our data called Target Field. We will type target sale equal to sum of order sale into 1.5 as an example. We will assume that the target was 1.5 of the order sale and we will press enter. Now you can see one field has been added as the target sale in our data set. You can see the calculator icon because we had created our own measure. Coming back to our gauge chart, we will drag and drop the target sale into target value. Now we can see the 124K was the target and one metric has been added as the target value. So this was about the gauge chart. One of the key benefits of using a gauge chart in Power BI is that it can help to quickly and easily convey important information about a single metric or KPI. Overall, gauge charts can be a powerful tool for visualizing and communicating data in Power BI. With a little bit of customization and attention to detail, you can create engaging and informative charts that help to drive insights and action. I hope you have understood how to create the gauge chart and how to use it. In next video, we will be learning how to use number chart. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And keep learning and growing with us.